Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet baby frock designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing collection. So dear friends, most attractive and most amazing collection in front of you. You can see crochet baby frock designs and other material like crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby frock designs like this, and crochet baby sandal designs, crochet baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, crochet women poncho designs, caplet cap shawl circular jacket designs, open jacket designs, sweater designs, crochet women long dresses, short dresses, bodycon dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses also. Crochet jewelry like crochet women necklace designs, earring designs, bracelet designs, finger rings and feet jewelry like crochet women anklet designs, baby anklet designs, many more things also. Dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends, relatives. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.